Is it working? It takes so much effort to get ready for the camera though, doesn't it? Like, I mean, people don't know I'm still in my pajamas from waist downwards. Ooh, what was I supposed to say? Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. Thank you so much for showing all the support that you've been showing me, all your love, all your effort, and I'm working on all the feedback that you guys are giving me. Please keep the feedback coming in, and thank you so much for all your support. Please don't forget to subscribe to my channel, hit the notification bell so you can be notified every single time I upload. And without any further ado, let's get into the video. So guys, today's video is a haul that I did from Wilko. Those of you who are not from the UK, you guys probably don't know what Wilko is. Wilko is a very affordable home store for us where we can get sweets, we can get cleaning products, household decorations, household accessories, and some kind of furniture. And it's seen as a very affordable option for many of us here in the UK. And Wilko does yearly sales, actually season sales quite often. But because it's Christmas time, we've had a lot of sales going on with Wilko. And as you know, I moved into my new home earlier this year, and I was waiting for the Christmas period sales to go up to be able to get some, you know, bits from my house. So I'm going to show you what I got from Wilko. So the first thing I got from Wilko is this jumbo cushion. Can you see? Can you see this? This is so big. This is 55 centimeters, guys. 55 centimeters. It's made of this soft, fleecy material. It's so soft and cozy. I got 6 of these from Wilko for my sofas. I think they were on sale, 2 for £10. 2 for £10. And they have a zip. You can actually take this cover off the cushion, wash it, and it's absolutely fine. I've washed these and you can see the quality hasn't changed. It's so nice. So this was the first thing I got. I got 6 of them, 2 for £10. It's an absolute deal, guys. Whilst it's on sale, go and get it. There's more colours in this. I got this in silver. The second thing I got is another cushion. Ta-da! Now this cushion, I think it was £6.50 each. It's a soft, velvety, suede kind of material. It's really smooth and velvety. And again, this cushion was so affordable. I got 4 of these cushions to go with the other cushions on my sofas because the main theme in my living room is grey, silver, and this kind of like bright navy blue. So I wanted to add this to the sofas. The third thing I got was this. This is a faux fur throw, and it comes double-sided. It's about 130 centimeters by 170 centimeters, and I got this in navy blue. They had a few different colors in this, and this side is so fluffy and furry, and it's just so, like, I don't know how to explain it. Have you ever seen a baby blanket and how it feels? It feels so soft and smooth and cuddly. That's literally how it feels. It's such a soft fur. And this side is like a velvety, smooth material. And you can use it either side, but it's actually supposed to be a throw. So when we sit on our sofas, because it's so cold sometimes, we usually use this on our legs just to keep us warm when we're watching TV, or, you know, when we're sitting around in the lounge. And I use this, I bring this upstairs sometimes when I'm filming in here, because this room is generally very cold. So yeah, I like to use this, and I'm probably going to get another one because they've got a charcoal grey one as well, so I might grab that because it kind of goes with my house theme, as you can see, grey. Another thing we got, guys, was this. Ta-da! Can you see? It's so pretty. This is an artificial grass pot. I think, I'm not sure if we got this on sale, I can't remember now, but I think it was about £6.50 full price. And we got a few of these to decorate around the house because the white pot and the fake grass, they are just beautiful. And it's so easy to clean as well, because when it gets dusty, if it gets dusty, I mean, I haven't had to clean it yet, the grass is like, you could just pull it around and just clean it with a little bit of microfiber cloth and spray, and you're good to go. And it just looks so elegant wherever you want to place it, you know. Ta-da! We place these in our living room, coupled with a couple of other pots and a couple of other succulents, but they look so nice. They actually do lift up the atmosphere in the room. They look so elegant. If you want these cost £6.50 each from Wilko. If you haven't heard of the brand Febreze, where are you living, guys? Where are you living? Clearly not in the UK, but Febreze is not just a UK brand. You can get this in different parts of the world. This is an air freshener. It's one of the most popular brands for air fresheners here in the UK. And this is currently on sale in Wilko, 3 for £5. I think normally it's between £2 and £3, but it's 3 for £5, and we managed to get hold of about, well, we actually stocked up on this because we go through these quite a lot. We love like spraying, and the good thing about it is that when you spray, say if you've been cooking or you've had food in the lounge, this actually removes the previous smell or scent that you've got going on. It's so good. We got different scents in this, and this one is white jasmine, and I think we got a vanilla one, we've got a blossom and breeze one, but they are so good, guys. Stock up on these because you're gonna love them. They won't let you down. Another thing that we got from Wilko was this fabric freshener. Now, I absolutely love the scent of these. So when you do your laundry, and you know, obviously it's fresh and scented, but after a couple of days the scent begins to die off. You can't change your bed sheets and your curtains and everything every single day. What you want to do is when you're cleaning up, spray a little bit of this on your rugs, on your bed sheet, on your curtains, and it smells so nice. As soon as you walk into the room, you will have this amazing relaxing scent. It will make you get into bed. It will make you want to stay in that room. It's so nice. And again, these were on sale on Wilko for 3 for £5. So we stocked up on these as well because we do use this quite a lot. Again, this is from Febreze and it won't let you down. This one in particular is antibacterial. As you can see, we've gone through quite a bit of it already. So if you can get the antibacterial one, it doesn't just smell nice, but it will also get rid of a lot of bacteria that you've got going on, because we always get dust in the house and lots of bacteria that we bring in from the outside, but these really work well on your fabrics. Get your hands on this. Another item that we got was the Febreze 3 Volution, and what it is it's just a plug. You plug it into your socket and it's got like little speeds. You can put it in either low or high, and it gives out some scent from here. Now the bottles of scent, as you can see, I've got some in there already. I don't know how to take them out now, but they come separately. We've been using this for such a long time, and the refill is currently on sale with Wilko. So you get 2 refills, which normally are quite expensive. I think they're around £5 to £6 when you go to buy them. But at the moment, Wilko is selling them 2 for £4.50. So we did stock up on these because it takes a long time. I mean, 1 refill can last you about a month, and it does make the room smell really, really nice. I mean, as soon as you walk into your house, you will smell this. It's so nice. So we stocked up on this. So if you want the refills and the 3 Volution plug, it's on sale on Wilko, and it is a twin pack for £4.50, which is a bargain. Get your hands on it. Now guys, as you know, I work full time and I don't always have the time to be cleaning up all the time. I need easy products to help me clean, and I feel like when you don't have the easy products, or when you have to stand there scrubbing away to try and clean your bathroom or kitchen, or you know, anywhere in the house, it takes up so much of your energy and so much of your time, and I want things to be easy. And for years and years I've gone through so many different cleaning products, professional ones, expensive ones, cheap ones, you know, I've gone through bottles and bottles of cleaning products, and now I stick with the products that I actually like, which I think work for my needs. One of them is this little guy here, Wilko. I think that's that's how you say it. So what it does is basically, you know when you're cleaning your shower, bathtub, tap, sink, you have like a whitish layer of limescale building on the metal parts or even the ceramic parts of your bathroom. That limescale is very difficult to remove without using a proper chemical. And what I've found with this is that when I spray it on the tap and all around it, and I will leave it for about 10 to 15 minutes. I'll go and do something else until then and come back about 10 to 15 minutes after and just use a brush or a thick hard sponge and just brush it off. And I kid you not, when we're talking about limescale, it literally takes off limescale like magic, literally like magic. So this is something you want to get your hands on if you've been struggling to deal with limescales on your taps, in your shower, in your bathtub, or even on your ceramic tiles. This is what you need. Get your hands on this, and it's I think currently on sale on Wilko for £2. This bottle is £2, and that's how much I got it for. Talking about the bathroom, I have one more magic product which I have been using to clean the bathtub and the glass in the bathroom area. I use this to clean all the tiles in the bathroom, like the wall tiles, and I also use this to clean the mirror in the bathroom and the windows in the bathroom. Basically, I use this to clean everything in the bathroom. Let's put it that way, right? So this is the Pink Stuff bathroom foam cleaner. When you spray it, it doesn't come out as a liquid. It comes out a bit like a thin foam. And what I do is I spray this all along the bathtub, on the tiles, on the windowsills, in the corners, in the difficult corners, and I leave it for about 5 minutes, and then I go in with a sponge and I just scrub it off, rinse it off with water, and this works so good. It smells amazing. By the time you've used it and you've cleaned it, your whole bathroom smells so good with this. And guess how much Wilko are selling it for? I've stocked up on this. This is a brand new one because I've gone through so many of this. This is £1. £1, but if you buy two, you get for £1.80, you get 20p off. This is £1, guys, £1. Since we are still talking about cleaning, let me introduce you to the Pink Stuff multi-purpose cleaner. Now, as you know, I'm South Asian by background, and our cooking in the kitchen has a lot of scent to it because we like to use our spices, if you know what I mean. So what the spices do is the aroma of the spices, it sticks to your cabinet, sticks to the kitchen tiles, sticks to the kitchen walls, everywhere. So I like to use a microfiber cloth and spray a little bit of this on all surfaces in the kitchen and just wipe it off. Now, microfiber cloth, because I don't like, you know, streaks being left, and that actually dries everything out clearly. But this actually does wonders. With other sprays that I've used in the past, I find this works so much better for pretty much anything. Once I've done all my dusting in the house, in the living room, and you know, everywhere else, I use this with a microfiber cloth, and it actually cleans everything, even cleans the most toughest stains that I've had, like coffee stains, and you know, it actually cleans them. But what it also does, it makes the room smells so good. The scent in this is, it's not a harsh scent, it's a very calming, soothing scent. It's really, really nice. It's definitely worth a purchase, and again, this is on sale on Wilko. You can get two of them for £1.80. If you buy one, it's just £1. I don't think you can go wrong for £1, guys. Try this. Did you guys know that Wilko also sells Essence makeup? I saw an Essence stand in my local Wilko. Can you believe it? I didn't even know. So I picked up 3 things from Essence because there was sales on. So Wilko has current sales on. It's 3 for 2, mix and match with different kinds of makeup. And if you go online on their website, they've got different makeup. They've got like L'Oreal, I think they've got L'Oreal, no, Maybelline, they have Rimmel, Essence. They've got different brands of makeup, and it's 3 for 2 on all makeup. So I picked up 3 things from the Essence store, and I'll show you those. So the first thing I picked up is this little guy here, little. It is it's a lip balm. It's a lip balm, and it smells very fruity. It smells very like, do you remember having strawberry candy when we were kids? That's what it smells like. It's really nice. It's got like a pearly pink shine to it. I don't know if you can see in the camera. And I just use this as a lip balm when I want a little bit of colour on my lips. I don't really want to be putting lipstick on, just use this, you know. What else did I pick up? I picked up this Essence lipstick. Look how luxurious this is. You've got like a rose gold packaging and you've got this white cover and you have like an E embossed in here from Essence. And this is in the shade 05 Legendary. This is, look at this colour, guys. Look at this colour. I mean, you can't go wrong with this, can you? Look at that. I mean, I can't wait to try this. I've never tried an Essence lipstick before and I love lipsticks. So I can't wait to actually try it out, and I might actually do an Essence like testing makeup kind of situation on camera. Should I do that? Like testing new makeup or drugstore makeup? Let me know in the comments below if you want to see that video. And the third thing I got is this Essence Stay 8-Hour Lip Liner, and apparently it's waterproof. So this is the twist up one, as you can see. And I don't know if I can show you what the colour is. Such a beautiful burnt pinky brown kind of colour. I think this is in the shade Cosnova. I don't know if that's a shade, but I think that's what it is. But I love it. I love it. It's like a pinky brown nudish kind of lip liner to use with your nude lipsticks. What more could I want, you know? And I don't have to sharpen it. So guys, this is all the things that I bought from Wilko, and a lot of them are on sale at the moment. Grab them while they last, and hopefully this video was informative for you. Thank you so much for coming on to here and watching my video. Those of you who've made it this far, please leave some love hearts down below so I know you've made it this far, and I'd love to see some more comments from you. Don't forget to subscribe, give me a thumbs up and hit the notification bell, because I'm now uploading every Tuesday, every Wednesday and every Thursday, 3 times a week, guys. 3 times a week. Mwah.